Hey everyone. Today we're going to make a Udemy sort of web application where other teachers can come and create their course, and students can come and browse through different course catalogs and purchase and enroll in those courses and watch the videos from those courses. So let's get started. So we're going to begin with creating data types. So first we're going to create, okay, we already have user. Let's add two more things in the user. One would be name, text, and would be file, picture, image. And let's also have purchased. Okay, I was planning to add purchase course as a way to have a list of purchase course by this user. But for that we have to create first courses. So course. Yes. Let's add populate this field after completing a user. So let's have is course. This is going to be a list of course. So he could have bought the user could have bought multiple courses. All right. So let's start with the courses. In the course, we're going to have course title, text. There's going to be course description. This is again is also into text. Then let's have cover picture for the course image, and let's also have price for the course. So it's going to be number. Then published. Going to keep it as a status if the course is published or not, or is it just kept in draft right now by default, which is going to be no. And then last thing we can have students. So enrolled student, yeah, could be the users and list of users. So for each and every course there will be a list of users, just like for each and every user there is going to be a list of course saved within their database. We are also going to have list of users stored in the course database. So after course we're going to create video lessons. In video lessons we're going to have video course. Actually video belongs to, I'm creating this. Okay, I'm creating this to make sure that every video has a tag of which course does this belong to. So it's going to be course, okay, and then we're going to have video title, text, video description, main text, and the main video file is going to be a file. All right, and let's also have review. So people can leave their ranking or reviews onto the course. So in the review, we're going to have review um, review write up, the text, then rating is going to be a number. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So they'll have an option to rate among these, and then review course. So we are making a field where we can describe, okay, this review belongs to which course and link to which course. So yeah, so let's I guess this is pretty much it. In case if required, we'll prepare them again. So let's jump into the home page and let's start creating some of the basic, uh, not a home page layout, but option to create course or things like that. So start with the header. We're going to add header here, and in the header we are going to change essentially two things. So we don't require FAQs, but we should show the username when they're logged in, so that every user would know, while testing will know we are logged in through which user. This is going to be current user name. Okay. And in the sign up process, we don't need confirm password, so we're just going to have these two, email and password, but we'll have one more, which is name. Name. So change this to name and and in the sign up process we're just going to add, in the sign up workflow step, we're just going to make few slight change, which is we don't need to confirm the password, and we're going to just add one more thing, name as the input name signups value. Also, we're going to check quickly if we have checked. Okay, so remember, when we are changing it to name, we should change the content format to text so that it accept anything, until otherwise it will always be giving you warning. Okay, enter a valid email ID. Okay, so go back to index. Fine. So now let's have a button to create course. Create course. And this will, what will this do is trigger a workflow to navigate to different page where we can create a course. So first we're going to create that page. Create course. Yeah, copy of clone of the home page. So that will have it same width and everything. Just delete it and let's add few things here. So now we're going what we are doing is making a page to create course. So there we're going to have heading create course. It's more or less to guide user, okay, what's happening in the page. And then let's have again text. It's going to say okay, so this is going to be the course title and course. In fact, there should be course title. We should write here and course title. Then we're going to have few more things. It's going to paste them. So what else we were capturing the, in the course? So course description, picture, and price. So if this is going to be a course description, we need a multi-line input in that case. So we're going to have this thing here. Long. This is long. Course description and write course description, right? And then we'll have our picture. We have picture uploader. Just going to be just going to repeat it. And then we're going to have price. It's going to be input box. And this should accept only integer, and we also want to separate them by 1000. So enter course price, and here course price, Okay, so we'll have a course title, course description, cover picture, and we just need a button to save it as course, to create it as course. Course. So we're going to create a new thing. What we are creating is we are creating course. Let's just add all the field. We'll remove it, which are not required. So we have course description as the multi-line write multi-line write course descriptions value, course title as input course titles value, cover picture as uh, picture uploaders value. Let's remove enrolled student, and prices the inputs price value. We're just going to rename this picture uploader so that it might just to remove the confusion in the future. So picture uploader for course picture, right? So yeah, let's also change the type of content of this page so that the bubble would know what kind of content is coming onto this, or to complete the flow. We will say current user so that whoever is creating will be part of this flow. So let's go back, let's go to the index and click on create course and click on here, and let's navigate that user to the creating the course page. Go to the page, create course, data assign current user, right? Yeah, this is let's also add one more condition. So what we're going to do, we're only going to be showing this page when the user is logged in or signed up. Otherwise we won't show this button. Later on you can also create different sort of roles. So the user who's if sign up for teacher, if you want to show them only in that case you can create different condition. But right now I'm just going to keep it as when the user is signed up, then only I'm going to show this create course page. So when the current user is logged in, this element is visible, and we're just going to change its default visibility, that this element is visible on page load, to uncheck, so that it doesn't load on the page load automatically, but it should check if the current user is logged in, then only it should show this button, right? So yeah, I guess we are done with, yeah. So let's preview this once to check if everything is working great. It should be working great, yeah. We're linking were pretty much okay. So test, signing up, and now the button is appears. The username is test right now. So we are going to click on create course. It should navigate to the different page. Yes, perfect. Now we have course title, so I'm going to create a um, bubble lessons app. So let's keep this one now. And course price is going to be 999. Let's create this course, and once I click on this, I should have a entry in the database. All course, yeah, I have one. Perfect. So let's go back and just now let's create further how it's going to change. So once they click on this, they should be navigated to creating the modules or creating the uploading the video lessons in this course. So we're going to say create video lessons. Don't from let's start with the index page. Delete the button there. Okay, it doesn't load on create course delete. And now this. type of content should be the course. The page should have a uh, content type of content as course, so that the video lessons will know which course are they referring to when they are storing those video lessons. So we're just going to quickly start creating video lessons. So first, let's add a header here saying add videos to, let's say, current page course title. This should be h2 dark, so that will have a let's just keep the course name page course title. Okay, and below this we're going to add video lessons. So for video lessons we'll be requiring input value and text, just like we did in while creating the course page. We are also creating, will be creating the video lessons. So this is going to be video title and enter video, and then we're going to have description, middle line input, and then we're going to have, we don't require this, let's have file uploader as upload. All right, and what else are we were we capturing in that? The video lesson, video description, file, title. Perfect. So let's also have this. Let's keep it here. In fact, you know what? I'm just going to just keep it here and let the video upload here. And I know, really bad UI design, but just let's go with it for now. The video, right? So clicking on this should create a video lessons in the video, but we also need to show those all the whatever is happening. We should also show them here in the list. So let's, I'm just going to create a repeating group, but before that just create a heading, video lessons under course title. Body as h to dark. The favorite h to dark is, and then let's have repeating group. This is going to be video lessons, and data source would be, do a search for all the video lessons wherever the video belongs to is equals to current course page. And yeah, here, and let's just have them one full sliced. Let's add few things here. The this is going to be the title of the video. So current video lessons video title, right? And then this is going to be videos description. Then we're going to show videos file, not video file, video files. Yeah, so we can also what we can do is we can let's just let's just do it. So what we're going to do, probably I'm just, never mind, come back here, Just delete, and we're going to show video component here, small video component, just to showcase that the video was uploaded. And this is going to be here. This is going to be current cell video lessons video file. Let's reduce this height, and this is going to show us whatever we are adding will be added into this list. So let's just are we coming back from the course page? Yep, navigate to course page, and currently we have this as user. And are we creating this? No, not this. I'm sorry. Creating video lessons. So are we creating this? Okay, so we need to create video lessons for every time user enter video title description and upload a video and click on create a video. What we are going to do is click on here, create a new things, create a video lessons, add all field. Video belongs to the current page course. So the current page course description is the multi-line A value. Video file is the file upload of videos value, and video title is going to be enter input, input enter video title value. So go back to design, and I'm just going to change its name to right video description. Alright, so this is going to upload a thing. I'm just going to pause and look for a video which we. Alright, so we can just test it out. I have some sample videos settled in the. Okay, but we created the course, so okay, let's do one thing here. Just refresh it instead of doing anything else. Okay, so let's have course title again. Course code. Learn about no code. Our picture can be. Let's use that thing again. Course price is going to be 999. Oh, this time 10,000. Perfect. Okay, from creating course we haven't moved again or what? Create course. Okay, my bad. So after creating a course, we should move to the module to the create video lesson space so that you can start creating that thing. So navigate, go to page, create video lessons. Data to send is result of step one. So whatever course you create in this step one is going to be the data to send for the create video lessons. Come back here, just refresh it. We're going to be creating this for the third time, but it's fine. New course. This is new course, but the image would remain the same. And then create a course. Now it's creating a course and should be moving to the yes, perfect. So the first video would be video lesson one. Discussion again. This is updated video. And to upload a file, we're going to use this MP4. It's uploading right now. Let me also take a small video so that you don't have to. Before, let's get this spaced longer. It's completed, so let's click on create video. What it does is it's just all the things. Okay, so it's going to show error. None will like doesn't matter. We're not covering that thing. We'll try. I'll have another video on the how to play video properly. The streaming sample side is coming soon, so we'll cover in that. So video lesson. This is a pretty video. Perfect. So we have both of these things. So now we need to see it as let's create another one to listen. Let's have another one. 4, 5. Now we need to see how it's going to look in the course. So for that, let's go back. Have another page as course. It's going to be replica of index again. We're just going to remove that button. Alright. So in this case, now we have almost everything in place. Now we're going to start with creating the course title. So this is going to be the okay, current page course. So we need to have the type of contents as course, and then we're going to start with current page course title. Its body is h2 dark. Okay, just below this we can have its description. Current page course description. Above this we should have image. It's going to be the featured image, so using it to edge to edge. So it's going to be current page course cover picture. Alright. So just below this now we already covered both the things. We can have few more things like let's say if you want to have text here, like stating price only for now. Also have the money sign. So insert data current page course price. Alright. So let's have this here, and let's also have a button as and now. So if you want to get into the how you can collect payments and run the whole payment gateway, I'm going to be covering different tutorial for the to integrate different payment gateway into the website. So how you can collect payments and transaction and everything. So yeah, that's going to be coming soon as well. So let's also have another heading as video lessons. Also change its body type to h2 dark. Okay, so like this, and now we are going to have a repeating group to show the video lessons. For the video lessons we're going to have something like this. Let's change it to full and one, and type of content is video lessons. We're going to go for do a search for all the video lessons where the video belongs to is equals to current page course, and here we are going to have pretty much the same thing again and again. This is going to be video title. So current site video lessons video title, and We'll do description. Let's keep it below, and let's have the video on top. Okay. This is going to be current video lessons video file. Alright. So this is how it's going to be. And now let's add option to add review to this course. So we're going to go with again one more heading as views. It's going to be sorry, it's going to be again h2 heading dark. And now we're going to create first give an option to rate or create reviews, and then we're going to create how to showcase that review, and that's it. Yeah, let's have text as let's have a rating option. Okay, rate course. This one we're going to have radio button, and I'm just going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, input disable number of columns should be 5. We're just going to utilize this. So yeah, that's how user can review it. I'm just going to add one more thing, one lowest, 5 highest. Alright, so the user will know how to rate this. And we're going to have multi-line input to write the review. So this is going to be review, and then we're going to have a submit button. Oops. Okay. Here, submit review. So with this, what we're going to do is create a new thing which is going to be review, and let's add all the things, and let's the rating is going to be the radio buttons is value, so it's going to be between 1 and 5. Review course is going to be current page course, and review write-up is going to be multi-line input write reviews value. So we are creating those reviews, and as well as we should also change reset the input state to 0. So no, not this one, reset the input state to 0, so whatever we write there doesn't stay there after submitting it. Input. Okay, fine. And now let's just group them together. Okay, by the way, you can similarly also make a comment section for maybe for different videos, or maybe for courses, but it's the flow and the uh, basic structure remains the same. The way we are creating the review, you can create this in the similar manner. You can create comments. So I'm just going to change its edit style. So go back here, edit style, add style, review group, and just a little bit of gray in the index design. So now we're going to come back to review group. Okay, so let's see. So either you can keep it on above the rest of the review, or you can have reviews on top, and once the user reaches the bottom, then they can add. Let's keep it here for now and add the reviews here. So we're going to add reviews, repeating groups. Just change its column to 1 again, full list, and this is going to be review. Do a search for all the reviews where the review course is equals to current page course. All right. So in this element, in this repeating group, we are going to have all those features again. So it's going to be uh, adding all those details again. So it's going to be the username who created this plus current, not current user, sorry, current cell reviews, creators name. So who created this review? All right. And then we're going to have another thing as rated. So we're going to say rating is rating is current sales review ratings star, or maybe you can use an emoji as star. Okay, and then we're going to finally have the complete review. It's going to be current sales review right up. All right. We can also add, cover the profile picture of that user. Just going to just increase its height so that it doesn't. Yeah. Here we can have, yep. It's going to be current cell reviews creator profile picture. So what you can also do, like if you look at the pattern, almost the comment and comment like things like those are like almost a similar pattern, which is like submitting the review. Like it could be like the profile picture of the user, username. If you remove this, this is the comment they have posted. So you can have like you can build those kind of thing intuitively in this. So submit review created the workflow, right? Yes. So now we're just going to go back and see if everything is in place. Then we should be able to view this course. But after creating the module, we still don't have any place where we can redirect user to that particular course. So that's what we are going to create at the home page right now. So in the home page, we're going to have a repeating group again. And in this one, we're just going to, it will be of 3 column and one and full list. This is going to be courses. Do a search for all the courses. So now we are not restricting anything. So any user who comes in can browse all the courses whichever are available on your website. We're going to have text is going to be the course name, course title, and just going to have h2 body, h2 dark. Yes. Again, we're going to have text. Let's just remove this text. Let's have a button, view course, and let's have an image, which is the oops, which is the cover picture. This is going to be the cover picture of the course. I'm just going to change sorting type of for this course list, so that any new course which get published should come at the first and not at the bottom. So created date, yes, all right. Go back and now click on view course. We should go to the course page. So navigate user to course, send the data of current cell course. I'm just going to check one last thing if we have made a published button. Oh, we haven't. So what we're going to do is this is we're keeping this for okay. Let's make one publishing button here. This is going to be published. Published. What it's going to do is it's going to change the status of this current course. Make a changes to current course page and change publish status to yes. And going back into the after it's clicked, let's what should we do? Let's go to a new page calling it as success, and then from there we can redirect user to come back to the home page. Never mind, let's just redirect user to home page. No bother. Navigate user, go to the page, index. Perfect. So once you publish this course, user will be redirected to the home page. And even on the home page, let's add one more thing. So the if I'm the owner of this video lessons or this course, I should be able to create or delete those courses, right? So I'm going to do is I'm going to add two button here. One is to icon here, one is to edit the course. So edit the course, and another one is to delete. Yeah. So we are clicking on the course and we are rewrite using the course page. Okay, perfect. So let's just refresh it again. Click on publish. Okay, so now we have these courses here. Let's click on view course. When I click on view course, it's showing me the cover picture, name of the course. This is the new course description, amount of that course, buy now button, video lessons. We have all those video lessons here, and then we'll have a review option. Let's review it. Great. And let's give 5. We are currently not being able to see the profile picture of the user because when we created the when we signed up for this testing, we did not upload any profile picture for the user. So yeah. So I guess this is pretty much it. We have a good library here, and we can create new courses. If I log out, I won't see this button, and I can do this similar thing to these two buttons. Let's also do this quickly. I'm just going to we are going to cover the edit part, but in the community, in our no code community. So come and join us there, and let's just do one thing. Clicking on this should delete thing the current cell course, but it should only be visible when the current user is logged in, and current cell course, sorry, so no, it should only be visible when current cell course creator is current user. So when the current user is the same one who is the creator of this course, this element is visible, or else on when the page is load it won't be visible. So it would be visible, of course, but I'll log out and we'll see how it's that. Yeah, it won't be visible right now. And even if I log in from different account, it will still not be visible. So if I create one at one, and, yeah, it's still not going to show me, but it's allowing me to create the courses. So yeah. So this is pretty much it. This is a quick Udemy or any kind of edtech course builder or online course you want to create. Quick review, quick overview on that tutorial. Thanks.